Good day, this is Teacher Carol. Today, I am going to talk about the learning management system that we use in our school. This is about Moodle. In Moodle, the job of the teacher is to create or upload courses, just like the one that I did here. Unit 1, Week 3, Business Marketing, Contemporary Approaches to Marketing. So we have a very short summary of the lesson and also the objectives of the lesson. Every unit, we are supposed to upload 9 materials. The first one, the online notes. Next, the reference book. Third, the content slides or the presentation. Fourth would be the videos. Fifth, a collaborative task. Sixth, summary of the lesson. Seventh, discussion forum activity. Eighth, quiz. And lastly, the assignment. The students will have to enroll themselves in this course using a password. So before the discussion or before our synchronous meeting using Google Meet, we are supposed to read the online notes. So the students will just click here and they will be redirected to this link where they can read about digital marketing and other concepts. Okay, let's go back. The students are also required to read the pages of the specified book here. And then, during our synchronous meeting in Google Meet, I am going to discuss to them the content slides. When the students click this, they will see the slides that I am going to discuss. So they can download this or they can always go back to the course for review. Next, we're going to watch the content videos. Teachers uploaded the content video here, and then the video is embedded. So let's watch the video together. All right, okay, let's go back. So after processing the video, the next activity is a collaborative task. The students can click here for the directions. I will also explain the task to them in detail, and I will give them the rubrics, their group mates, and the breakout rooms. I will be supervising them during their preparation. They are going to present their work using Google Meet. And of course, I will be giving them the comments or the feedbacks after every presentation. All right. So the other activities such as reading the summary of the lesson, answering the discussion forum, the quiz, and the assignment can be done asynchronously. So these are the key points for the summary of the lesson. Next, we have the discussion forum. So the students will just click here and then click this to find the topic of the discussion forum that I uploaded. So they can reply here and then they're going to comment also on the replies made by their classmates. All right. For the quiz, when they click here, the quiz will appear. Then they're going to answer. So as a teacher, I can always view in this part who already answered the quiz and who did not. And then for the assignment, the students will download or make a copy of this slide. And after doing their project, they can upload it here, this part. Okay, so submission. So this is the due date of the submission. And the teacher could just view here on this part, on the left part, who submitted and who did not. Right? All right. Moodle is a very easy to use application. It is easy to navigate. It has a very simple interface. It is user friendly. That's about it.